This is a Yashica Electro 35GSN rangefinder. Some people call it the poor man's Leica. This is a diagram of the battery configuration. LR44 button cell up top and a CR123A below. Its lens was caked in fungus as of January 2022, and Don Camera Shop did a fine job of cleaning the glass. It looks like new now. He also cleaned all the silver accents of crusty dust and rust. There was also a problem with the Yashica's shutter mechanism, and they also fixed it, and that added a bit to the cost. I last used this in 2007. I'll link to my album of photos taken with this Yashica in the description below. This shoots in aperture priority mode only. You cannot choose the shutter speed. It is a fully mechanical rangefinder, so you can operate it without a battery. But putting in a battery enables you to use the built-in selenium light meter, and it also lights up the over-under exposure warning lights. There is a battery check button that lights up the film counter window. Please do check out the various links to related past work I've shared in the description below. Just pause the video to see the price for the repair and fungus removal.